Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll be coding up the design we did from last tutorial. So in the last tutorial, we designed this little project. It's a small landing page for the online learning platform. If you want to check it out how we designed this, I will leave a link in the description so you can watch it. But in this week, we lay out the HTML. So I already had that open right here, but I will leave a link in the description so you can download our startup project. And inside of it, you will see an image folder that hold all the images that we're gonna use, and a SAS folder. But in this tutorial, we only gonna lay out the HTML. Next tutorial will be the CSS styling. So go ahead and download it and open in your favorite text editor. I'm gonna be using Visual Studio Code, and also I'll use a plugin called Live Server. And go to I click this icon here and search for Live Server right here. This first option right here, Live Server, and install it. I'm gonna be using it to open like a live preview right here. So whatever I type right here, let's just say hello, save it. I can see it show right here. So without further ado, let's get started. So this is the design. So we had this whole thing, one side right here and this side right here. So we're gonna be coding this one of the HTML in this tutorial. So without further ado, let's start. So inside of the body, I will create a section using a section tag and give it a class called hero. Now hero section, we hold everything. So I write a little comment right here. Now inside of the hero, I will create a row class. And inside of the row, I will put two columns. For example, in the design, we had this side right here, this column, and this column also. So the row will be used to display as flex, and we had this side and this side. So we had a flex, say eight column. I multiply by 2, and for this one, say 4, because we want to do 12 grid column. So inside here, where the background image located, so I'm going to create a div with a class called hero 2_ image, hero image, and now we add another class called pad, PAD. We'll be using it to add some padding to the section. Press enter, write a little comment right here. Hero image, and comment right here. Let me copy this comment here. So this flex, just do that. Inside our hero image, I create another div called hero content. Hero again, 2_ content. And this will hold this side right here, the hero content, the text, and tab category right here. So this is the hero image, right here, this side of hero image. So inside of hero content, I use a heading one. Inside here I say learn new skill. I use the BR tag for the break, and I say any time, anywhere. I say any device. I save this. We have it right here. Now after that one, I create our tab category session. So I say hero _, tab, and then put 2 dashes categories. Well, little comment right here. Let me copy this. This for our hero contents. And this the category. Inside here we have actually heading 2. I give it a class of session intro, and I give it a text called tab categories. And then we create another row. You see these are 4 columns, so 1, 2, 3, 4. We create another row. So I go down here, that row, make sure little back, sorry, copy this. Then we need 4th row, so 12 columns, so say flex the 3. So since we need 4 of them, I have to multiply by 4. It will give me 4. This a little comment for this one also. And put some space in. So let's see what each this row contains. So we have an icon, a title or a category, and a little bit more description. So we create a div with a class called box. Inside of it we have icon, and then we have the title, div class title, and then we have the another details. So I'm going to be using remix icon right here. So I just copy and paste it right here, but this is the website. So but this is the remix icon website. Okay, but then this is the pencil ruler, so you can just type pencil, and this the one that we're using, this one right here. So copy this one and you can just paste it right here. So I'm gonna go back here. So that's the icon. For the title, it will be, I will use a heading 3. I say graphic design. And For the details, we have 120 courses, the pipe symbol, and 3,218 students. Save this. You can see we have the icon right here, the heading 3, and the details. So I'm going to copy this one for the rest of the columns. So here, paste it right here, and this one, the icon is, that's the web development. You see the icon. If you need time to copy it, you can do so right here. And then our title will be web development, and our cost will be 180, and student 6,218. I save it. We have it right here. I'm gonna copy this also. Close this, and then do the third one, which is finance. Finance. This is the icon right here. And then the details are 105 courses and 718 students. And copy these box again. And now here you have this. This be the icon. And the title is marketing. And we have 80 course. 80 course. And then we have 1,418 student. I save this. We have all them right here. Now we move to the session. So I will close up hero content and the hero image. Now we move to the sidebar. And remember, this is in our design. This is the sidebar right here. We had our sign up form and the top instructors right here. So we're gonna be doing that right now. So inside of this flex, that for the 4 column, I will create a div where the class called hero underscore sidebar. So create some space, little comment right here. So hero sidebar, and inside here I will create a sign up session. So another div hero sign up, and then add another class called part for the party. Let's enter a comment right here. Hero sign up. Heading to a class session intro. Now right after that, this had a form with a form element where the class got form. We don't need this one. Inside of it, you have 2 input field in the button. So we have the inputs, type test where the class called form input. inputs. So make sure you have the inputs few element by type call test by class from input and a placeholder of enter your email address. And then we have another, let me stretch this one out a little bit so you can see. Then we have another input, so let me just copy this one. And this one, instead of being test, it's gonna be password. And then we will say create a secret password. So I just created a button with a class of submit button, where type called submit, and the value of sign up. I save it. We just have these. So this is the sign up session right here. So I'll close this one. Now we go to the tab instructor session. So again, I created a table with a class called hero, to underscore instructor, and another class called pad for the padding. Go down here a little bit, comments to keep the code organized. Hero. If you have any question, be sure to leave them in the comment section. If you're liking this, remember to share, to like, and to subscribe. So we had a heading 2, what is again session intro, that we say tab instructor. Then we start creating the instructor. So we just create a class called instructor for each individual instructor. So what do we have? In our design, we had image. Then on this side we have the name, the bit detail about them, and an option to see their profile. So I will divide this into 2 different categories. So for the first side we got image, which will hold the image, and then a right side called info, which hold more details about the instructor. So first thing first, let's add the image by using the image tag, and we go into the image right here. So we locate the images folder, and then we choose user 1. We remove this one. We save it. First we save it. You can see we have the image right here. Inside the info, we have few things to add. So we had our name, we have details, and then we have profile. Inside of the name, I will use a heading 3. Put the name. So the name is just copy it from the other screen. So this is the name. I use a fake name generator to generate this name. And details is 8 courses. And 150,000 618 student. And for a profile with an anchor tag, want href to be empty, and I'll just say profile. So let's save this one and see how it looks. Just basic. Now I'm going to copy the instructor section right here. Copy this. First let me comment this real quick. So I'm copy this, Control C and Control V at a second instructor. So user is going to be 2 and our name will be Eric. B Hogan. And details will be 5 courses and student will be 125. And the rest stay the same. So I already have a copy, so I paste again for a third user, so 3. And then the name is Sandy T, and the details is 12 courses and student 120,618. The rest stay the same. And then the last instructor is user 4. And then the name is Joe. Okay. The course is 10 course, 78,612, 618 students, and that's it. So that's the HTML. So let me go over real quick. So first let me save it and we should see the images right here. So we have this session called a hero that wrap everything, and inside we had a row. The next video we will use to display a flex to align this, make a column. We had 8 column grid right here and a 4 column grid, which add up to be 12 column. So this, we had this side and then this side, and then we inside of the 8 we had a hero image which hold this title, background image, and the top category, and then we had a sidebar which hold a sign up and a top instructors, this one right here. So next week video we will start working on styling. This is using SAS, so we will go through this folder. So that will be it for this video. If you have any question, be sure to leave them in the comment section below. I'll be more than happy to help you, and thank you for watching. If you like this, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification icon. And next video we see you. Until next time, thank you for watching again, and see you. Bye.